Hello, good morning. My name is Rob Ivan Matamis Enrile from BSHM 1-1, and we're going to cook scrambled egg with hot dogs. So first of all, you need to prepare all the ingredients, which is the main ingredients: egg and the hot dogs. You need to season it with salt or with magic syrup and mix it all together. So the next step, you need to magpainit ng kawali, and then um, ensure that the mantika is mainit or hot enough to fry the eggs. The first step is you need to cook the hot dogs before you mix it to the egg. Now get the hot dog out of the pan and mix it dun sa itlog, para ma-cover it up. Then mag-uniform silang dalawa. Then heat the pan again, and then isa lang ulit yung egg na may hotdog. So, and then halo-haloin mo lang hanggang sa perfectly and evenly cook yung eggs and hotdog na hindi na wala ng hilaw, para mai-serve na into a plate. 'Pag naluto na, transfer to a plate, then ayan, ayan siya. Kumuha siya ng kanin, pinakita niya lahat, ayan. Then ayan, maganda siya diyan, then yung kanin binalik niya uli, ayan. Ta's maghuhugas siya ng kamay para malinis, ayan. Ihawak niya sa buhok niya, naghugas na siya ng kamay. Then ayan, isalpak yung kanin sa plate, perfect, ayan. Hindi niya alam kukunin niya, and then naghanap siya, go, nag-thumbs up, okay na daw. Then next is yan, perfect. No, that's it po. I hope you learned something from me. Thank you very much.